Hey everybody, it's Justin Benz, your favorite Lakewood Ranch and Sarasota new construction home specialist here. Here I am at Webb Catalina, Lakewood Ranch. They just opened a couple days ago. They have 16 different models, anywhere from about $360 up to $1 million in the base price. I'm gonna do a quick tour of the community of what's to come and show you some of the models. Let's go check it out. If you want more details on this community, I've already posted a video on YouTube. Just click the link above. This will have all the goods and the details on this brand new 55 and over community here at Webb Catalina. Because in this video, we're going to focus on the models, and when you come to visit, there's 5 beautifully furnished single-family homes, and there's also 2 villa models you can tour. So there's anywhere from 2-bedroom, $360,000 villas here up to 5-bedroom, 4,000 square feet, $1 million homes, which is the Leighton Grande coming into your picture. But today we're going to tour the Prestige, which is kind of their mid-size model. They have either a 2 or 3-bedroom layout with a flex room, 2.5 baths, just over 2,000 square feet, base price $560,000, and this decked out model with a pool and everything on the water shown is $820,000. Reach out to me. I'd love to set up a private tour for you and get you going into Webb or one of the other neighboring communities.